Alright, here's the after. Installed the DC headers. They're 4-to-1 DC headers. And I just put them on. I didn't do the spark plug fouler mod yet. But the only light I have on right there, that's my tire pressure sensor light. I revved it up a couple times. It's real noticeably louder. I haven't drove it yet, but at idle you can't tell. But I just barely gave it like 2,000 RPM little rev, and it was noticeably louder. But time to take her for a ride around the block and see what she does. Alright, try to make this at least a minute long, so I think I don't know how short of videos you can load on YouTube, but that's it. DC headers.